So hey guys, this is Review Destination and I am Shitesh, and today we are going to do the unboxing of this beetel wireless landline, cordless landline. So yeah, let's break the seals. Oh yeah. So yeah, I've got the seals and okay. So this is a landline telephone which you can use. This is a cordless telephone. Let's feel it's from beetel brand. So you have to just connect it with your landline connection which you have at home, and this is the charging wire for this device, and this is the device, and it has LED backlighting as you can see over here. LED backlighting over here. And then it has two-way speakers and this keypad. So yeah guys, this is your landline telephone. You can just use it. Put the numbers over here. Now and this is the fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable, which you can use in the port and the connection will get active. And yeah, this is the stand from beetel. It's a silver stand. And what else we have over here in the box? Let's see. Okay, so here are the batteries which will power this guy up. So yeah, let's open the batteries also quickly. Oh god, a good cut I guess. So let's cut them. Yeah, one battery is out, second is also out, and this is the bill. Let's go. And the price for this landline phone is wireless landline phone is 2,400. So for that price it's expensive. What it tells over here, so it's tight, snug fit. So yeah, as you can see the blue LED. Then you can put your number over here. What I'm typing, I don't know. Yeah, your number over here. So you can just call from here, and then when your phone is dead, you can put this on this charging cradle. And let's see that where is the port for the charging quickly. Let's keep this phone to the side, and here is the fiber optic cable port, and this is the port for charging. So you can just put this over here, and then you can place it on over here on a electric pad. So now it's charging, as you can see. Your port is fine. So yeah, you can remove it, dial anything, range, everything. I have not yet installed this, so you'll not get the idea. And my room also, I don't have this LAN connection, it's in the hall. So yeah, that's it for this quick unboxing guys, and give thumbs up to this video if you want to see the review, and comment down below if you are interested for the review. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. This is Review Destination and I'm Shitesh, and I'm signing out.